It is far more easier to prevent destructive chewing in your cat than to correct it. Destructive chewing not only leads to damaged household valuables, but is also dangerous for your cat. There can be various reasons for this behavior in a cat, like teething in kittens, boredom, curiosity, and sometimes deficiency of a specific nutrient can also lead to destructive chewing. In teething kittens, chewing is a very common phenomenon. Chewing relieves the pain caused by their sore gums. However, this chewing should be restricted only to their toys, and chewing of household items like wires, cables, houseplants, fabrics, etc. should be dealt seriously. Because such ignorance can cause this destructive behavior of your cat to continue even after she has come out of the teething stage. During the teething stage, provide your kitten with a number of toys with different textures that are safe and appropriate for her nibbling. And in case you observe that she is not interested in the toys, you can even try rubbing catnip on these toys. According to a research conducted, more than 50% of the cats tend to like catnip. So rubbing catnip on her toys can stimulate her interest in them. Once cats come out of their teething phase, they grow out of their chewing habits as well. But some cats don't give up on this behavior and continues chewing in on household items. However, some cats who have left chewing when they came out of the teething phase may again start chewing inappropriate things out of a sudden. And there may be a number of reasons for this behavior. Therefore, it becomes very crucial to first understand these reasons and then take the required steps to prevent this destructive behavior. Wires and cords are one of their favorites when it comes to destructive chewing. Chewing of wires poses a serious threat to your cat, which can range from minor shock to even death in some cases. Cats primarily do this out of boredom when they are left alone in the house on their own. For tackling boredom in your cat when you are away, always ensure that she has plenty of toys, as that will keep her engaged and will help to keep a check on her destructive instincts. Additionally, you can use these methods to discourage the chewing of wires and cords by your cat. Covering the cords can be your first line of defense. You can cover your cords with pre-split hollow tubing, which is readily available with computer supply stores. Further, you can make the cords area unappealing for your cat by putting double-sided tape or aluminium foil in that area. As cats generally don't prefer to walk over sticky and noisy surfaces, this could save your cords from getting nibbled by your cat. Bitter apple spray works like magic for curbing this destructive behavior in cats. Spray the cords with this bitter tasting cat deterrent solution. It will leave a bad taste in your cat's mouth whenever she will try to chew the cords. As cats are very particular about their taste buds, she won't approach the cord again due to the unpleasant experience. Further, you can buy a cat-friendly grass for your cat and place it in the area where she chews the cords. The grass will distract her and may divert her attention from wires and cords kept in that area. Increase your daily playtime with your cat. This will tire out your cat both mentally and physically. Additionally, you can provide her with interactive food puzzle toys where she is required to work and search for her food. These interactive toys will keep her occupied and will reduce the chances of her getting involved in destructive chewing behavior. Sucking and chewing on wool or any other fabric is another form of destructive chewing observed in cats. This behavior is commonly observed in Burmese and Siamese cats. To prevent this behavior in your cat, the first obvious thing to do is to put all such chewable items out of their reach, and for those items which can't be taken out of her reach, it is recommended to spray them with the cat deterrent spray. But at the same time, you should also ensure that your cat has something to chew on. Cat-safe, soft chewable toys are a good option that can come in handy in such cases.